So here's a challenge. We've masked the inside of the kind of rear turret position, or gun position, I should say. Because what needs to happen is we've got to really apply some mask to the inside first, then we can spray the silver to both sides while it's unassembled. Once we've done that, and we can spray it to the interior. No, it's going to be silver inside apparently, so we'll leave that as silver, which is fine. Because then at least it means when you kind of peer in through the windows from the outside, you'll see the silver interior. Because we're going to be putting a black base on the outside of the aircraft before we apply all the all-clad metallic finishes. And so because of that, we can't do this from the outside. We've got to deal with the inside first so it all looks right. So this is the tricky part. So what I've done here already is, I'm sorry this keeps dropping out of focus, but it's pretty tricky. So because there's no internal frame as such, you can't see where the where the frame line is to cut the mask. So what I've done is held the part up to a light source, and what you can do then is see the frame. I don't know whether you can see that on the camera, but you can actually see the frame to cut here. So a new scalpel blade. Just run that down here. Just turn it around. Again, try and hopefully that's in focus. It's really hard to do this with the camera. And then down this side here. And then finally, just the front edge. Okay. So that should just about have worked all right. There we go. Great. So that's one's... Oh, God. Keeps dropping out of focus. So that's one side done on the inside. Do the same on the other side.